You guys, what's up? It's been a little while. I understand that. So, today I'm not going to make any excuses. I've just been doing a lot of other things, trying to get other things set up. And for those of you that want, I believe it's like tickers and how to make millions by Tim Sykes and Fouls 4 and stuff like that. I may have a person that actually has all these that I may be able, if you're interested, comment below. I'll get a hold of you or leave your Instagram name in the comments and I'll DM you. Um, but yeah, I've been honestly watching those again and again and again because the way this market has been. And there's only two plays today, and we're going to go over those really quick. This is the first one, MYO. It created this flag pattern, and we call it a flag because it's like almost like a pin. I don't even know what those are called, like pennants that they have for sports. I'm a huge sports fan. I think it's called a pennant, but oh well. But as you can see, it's flag pattern. It breaks down into it. Has basically just this little like I don't know what it's going to do yet, and then boom, just pops up, and then it has a nice little pullback, and then pops up to a new high. So this flag pattern actually does work, and I mapped it out just like this for you guys. The other play that I played today was AKS, and as you can see, it fell after I played it, and then now it's running. Well, it's back up there now, but basically this was the resistance line that I wanted to buy at as soon as it broke it, and that's what I did. And actually, I could have bought here because as you can see, it's came down to here multiple times but consolidated, and you could have been in here and then rode it all the way up, but I like breakout buys, so I got in about 62. And sometimes, yes, I do get in a little early, and if they do fall back down, I take a 5-cent loss, but again, you're looking at a 15-cent gain here. I didn't get this whole 15-cent gain, of course. Like nobody ever gets that. But you could have actually made more than that. But I sold out around 70, so I made about a 10-cent gain each with, I think I had like 5,000 shares. So that's like $500. I actually may have had just a little bit more than that. But again, you can see the size that I'm playing with on this one. I'm not playing on a small account on this one. But it's really not hard to see these, and there was a lot of things that I saw that had potential this morning and they fell. Let me see, no, this ain't it. NVAX did, and then as you can see, it started downtrending here. Oh, sorry. Again, this one made a new high, and then it was making lower highs, which is not a good thing, and downtrended. Acre actually, it was up yesterday quite a bit. I almost played it. BPMX was the play. No, BPMX was the play from yesterday. As you can see, I have this trend line perfectly. It's not a very high like ticker, so I didn't take as many shares as I would normally take and size in, but I got quite a few. So basically followed this trend line, and I bought on this dip in the morning. And yes, this is a breakout buy, but when they follow these trend lines like this, you can usually get in down in here on this trend line and ride it up. As you can see, it did come down onto this trend line and break, but once they usually have these big moves like this, you know they're going to fall down to that trend line, or they're going to break that trend line on the way down. But either way, the market is actually not doing very well. As you can see, SPY and QQQ are down over here. They are starting to bounce back a little bit, but they are still red. But the main thing I really want to talk about, guys, is just education. And yes, I had a course, and I basically took it down because there is so many other people out there. Like, I can't compete with Tim Sykes and people like that. I made it dirt cheap. Yes, people bought it, but it wasn't. I want to grow a free community. I don't want to make people pay for stuff like this. So in order to get education and stuff like that, again, feel free to comment below. I can send you to a guy that actually has like all the Tim Sykes and stuff like that. But I just want to make this video decently short. I don't want it to be overextended and long. So with that being said, this is basically just recaps. So in order for this to stay short, I'm going to cut it off here, and I'll see you guys in hopefully tomorrow's video. And hopefully tomorrow's a Good Friday. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.